Hi there, writers. Alright, so narrative writing. We are on the video Pick Your Best Choice. So, you have written me 3 different introductions. Awesome introductions. And now you get to pick one. So, both hard and easy. So, you got to think about how do you want your story to flow? And me, I love a dialogue opening. That's just my own personal preference. Now, I told you I really like the sound one. So, if I was to pick 2 different ones, I would have to say, you know, a dialogue or a sound. That's just me preferentially. Doesn't mean that that's what you want. But I am going to probably pick this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click in the box, hit Control C. So I push Control and then I push C. Then I click in the little box down here underneath video, and then I'm just going to hit paste. And it automatically just puts it in there for me. Okay? No typing necessary. So you come up here, you can hit copy, come down here, hit paste. Do it one of 2 ways. You can come up here and hit Control C, and then come down here and hit Control V, or you can go and hit copy, and then come down here and hit paste. Up to you. Totally up to you. Okay? That's all you need to do for this last step, is just pick one and stick it in there. Now, I told you that I like that sound one, and I will be using that somewhere else in my story, but just not for my introduction. But I did like it. As I was writing that, it helped inspire me for some other scene setting. Okay? So I am going to use that that sound introduction somewhere else in my story as I'm writing. Alright, so that sweet, simple little video, you're done. You are done with your introductions, okay? You're done writing your introductions. You're going to hook me. I'm going to be excited to read your story. And remember, your hook is the first thing your person reads, so it better be darn good because you want your reader to keep going. And if it's not good, the reader just was like, I'm just going to set this aside and do something else. Don't lose your audience, okay? Don't lose them, because they don't want to read your stuff if it's boring. Give me a good hook. Alright, I'll be around. Questions? Let me know.